Every manufacturing rep knows the Holy Grail, becoming the basis of design. But reaching architects at the right time, that's about as rare as a project finishing on schedule and under budget. Let's face it, with lunch and learns, the only spec that matters is the sandwich selection. And trade shows, they're more perfect for your standing nap. The reality is, architects go with what they know, and if it's not your products, you're out of luck. Then there's the contractor playing budget Jenga with your specs. Enter Material Hub, the all-in-one platform where thousands of architects make their material decisions every day. We combine the industry's deepest technical information with AI-powered search and tools architects actually use to plan, select, and specify materials. Think of it as your backstage pass to specification decisions. When architects are actively selecting products for real projects, your solutions are front and center, right when it matters most. We create a custom go-to-market strategy for every partner built on 3 powerful moves. 1. Education through high-impact technical workshops that showcase your innovation. 2. Promotion that puts you front and center when standards are set. 3. Expert-guided recommendations that connect you to architects actively seeking solutions. Here's where it gets really good. We make you part of firm standards. Once you're in their library, you become their go-to choice project after project. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Over 15,000 architectural firms trust AceLab for their material decisions. Partner with us and position your products to become the basis of design.